Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I know I haven't been posting as often and I'm sorry about that, but I will be back with a lot more videos, so please just don't forget about me. I'm still here, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this eyeshadow look right here. And the palette I will be using is the Amrezy palette, and I'm going to start off with this eyeshadow called New Yorker, and I'm going to be placing this on the crease. Moving on to the next eyeshadow, I will be using Semsa on the crease as well, and I really wanted a pop of color. I just didn't want this look to be like a regular, neutral eye look, so I threw in some color and this is how it came out. So I'm just going to be blending that on the crease as well. I'm going back to the first brush I was using, and I'm going to be blending everything together, and after that I will be cutting my crease and I will be setting it with some translucent powder, and then I'm going to be adding this eyeshadow called Semsa, which is the color I applied on my crease, and I'm going to be applying this on the outer corner of my eye. So this eyeshadow look is going to be a halo eye, but I did cut my crease all the way because I find it easier for me. But after I finish putting the colors together, I'm just going to be popping on the glitter on the center of my eyelid, and that's how it's going to be a halo eye. Now I'm going in with this eyeshadow called Yugo. This is a darker brown, but as you could see, it makes it look like a purplish eyeshadow, but it goes, so I'm happy I chose this color instead of the black. But anyways, I'm just going to be applying this on the outer V of my eye and on the inner half of my eye. Moving on to glitter, I will be using this one by Stila Cosmetics, and this is called Rose Gold Retro, and I'm just popping this on the center of my eyelid. I'm adding some lashes, and then I'm going to be moving on to concealer. I'm going to be using this one by Fenty Beauty, and I actually really love this concealer, and I'm going to be blending this out with my beauty blender. To set my concealer, I'm going to be using the Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just going to be setting my concealer, and after that I'm going to be removing that powder and I'm going to start bronzing my face, and I'm going to be using the Hoola bronzer by Benefit, which is also my favorite, and I'm also going to be contouring my nose. I'm also going to be applying a little bit of blush. I also apply blush on the tip of my nose. I think that looks really cute, and I'm also going to be applying highlight. I'm going back to eyeshadow, and I'm going to be applying Semsa on the lower lash line, and after that I'm going to be applying mascara, and the look is pretty much complete. Okay, I just noticed that one of the cut creases came out a little higher than the other one, but it's okay because this look is still beautiful, and I hope you guys like it because it's a really cute look. To complete this look, I'm going to be applying the Kylie Cosmetics Dolce lip kit, and I love this color. And after that is done, I am all finished with this tutorial. Let me know what you think about this look down below in the comment section. I love reading your comments, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up before you leave. And also make sure you go follow me on Instagram. I'm a little more active on there, so go follow me, and I'll see you guys on my next video.